told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about two inspiring personalities from the modeling world. First is Anna Vlasova. Anna was born on December 22nd, 1992, in Russia. Her zodiac sign is Capricorn, and she is currently 32 years old. She is known as a lingerie and swimwear model who has worked with George models, Marvel modeling agencies. Before gaining recognition, she studied at school, number 29, and later began building her modeling career in 2020. She started sharing behind-the-scenes photo shoot content on YouTube, giving fans a closer look at her work daily life. Now let's talk about Mariah Taylor. Mariah is a plus-size model and body positivity advocate originally from Sierra Leone. She moved to the United States around 2020 or 2021 to follow her dream of becoming a top plus-size model. She attended Duval High School in Maryland and proudly represents her hometown. She began modeling on Instagram in 2023 and quickly attracted hundreds of thousands of followers who appreciate her confidence and self-love message. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.